Let me tell you about a place like no other place on earth, with crystal blue water, miles of ivory white sand, and smiles that go on even further. This is a place that has welcomed the world. Families, friends, and those destined to be so much more. This is a place that captivates all the senses. The sense of excitement, the sense of fun, the sense of knowing you can do it all, and the good sense of knowing when to do nothing. So, let me tell you about this place. My place. And soon to be your place.